Okay, the next pronunciation is E. E. Like, for example, pet. Okay? Now, once again, the X's will be instead of Hebrew letters. Okay, so we have few signs that indicate the pronunciation of E. The first one is that. Two little dots under the letter means E. E. Another example is this. 5 dots that look like that. Once again, you only need to recognize them, not to remember how to write it down. So don't be alarmed about that. Eventually, you will know how to read without all these signs. It's not that hard. We just want you to recognize them and know the meaning of every pronunciation. So, don't worry. Okay, next. When we see 3 little dots like that, the pronunciation is also E. And finally, if you see a letter with these 2 dots, as we saw right there, and the letter Yud, you remember the letter Yud, we learned about that. If we see a letter with these 2 dots and the letter Yud right after that, the pronunciation stays E. Okay? So, for example, if you put the letter Lamed, we will read it as Le. Le. Okay? So all the letters that can be used with those signs are found in your extra materials. So download it, listen to the MP3 files, and go over all of that. Practice a lot and try to recognize them. Okay.